Elite Media presents Itinerary in Reggio Emilia. A journey through the heart of Emilia-Romagna, discovering Reggio Emilia and its authentic landscapes. From the wide plains to the gentle hills, a territory where history, culture and traditional flavors create unforgettable experiences. In the heart of Reggio, the historic Rocca stands as a symbol of the town, preserving centuries of history, architectural heritage and the enduring spirit of Emilia. Fabbrico reveals the authentic spirit of the countryside, between ancient traditions, quality vineyards and a strong agricultural identity, enriched by its historic palazzo. Correggio combines art and history, celebrating the legacy of Renaissance painter Antonio Allegri, known as Correggio, and the elegance of its historic center. Apennine represents the agricultural soul of the Reggio Emilia plain, surrounded by countryside landscapes and traditions linked to local products. In Nosotolo, a hamlet of Gattatico, rural landscapes meet history and memory, near the places connected to the Museo Cervi and the traditions of the Emilian countryside. Reggio Emilia, the cultural heart of the province, welcomes visitors with an elegant historic center where art, history and innovation meet. Known as the City of the Tricolour, it is the place where the Italian flag was born in 1797, preserved today in the historic Sala del Tricolore and its museum. Walking through its squares, visitors discover Piazza Prampolini, the cathedral, the Basilica della Ghiara and the Teatro Municipal, symbols of a city rich in culture and beauty. Reggio Emilia is also a city of creativity and innovation, internationally recognized for the Reggio Emilia approach and its contemporary architecture, including the iconic Calatrava Bridges. Along the ancient Via Emilia, Rubiera combines history and nature, with its historic center and the landscapes shaped by the Secchia River. In the Matildic Hills, Quattro Castea tells the story of Countess Matilde di Canossa through its 4 historic hills and the magnificent Castle of Bianello. Montecavallo, surrounded by the gentle hills of Quattro Castea, offers panoramic landscapes where countryside traditions and local life blend together. Puionello is a gateway to the Reggio Emilia Hills, where vineyards, local flavors and views over the Crostolo Valley create a landscape to discover. Albanea, located among the first hills of the Reggio Emilia Apennines, is a refined destination where nature, history and tradition meet. Set in the Matildic lands, this territory is surrounded by vineyards, green landscapes and elegant historic residences that once welcomed noble families from Reggio Emilia. In Montalto, within Bassano sul Crostolo, nature becomes the main character, with green valleys, peaceful paths and the authentic beauty of the Apennine foothills. Sordillo, in the municipality of Cassina, represents the quiet charm of the Reggio Emilia Apennines, surrounded by rural traditions and mountain landscapes. At the entrance of the Apennines, Castellarano preserves the charm of a medieval village, with its historic center and the iconic Rocchetta, symbol of its ancient fortified past. Surrounded by the landscapes of the Secchia Valley, it offers panoramic views, authentic traditions and the timeless beauty of the Reggio Emilia Hills. Discover more at www.elite-media.it.